Guys, the sorry state of the world nowadays is just unacceptable. Things have gotten so bad that people don't even know how to make cereal anymore. That's exactly why this tutorial was necessary. Now I understand this is a very difficult process for some of you to follow along, and that's exactly why I'm here to show you step by step the right way to do it. Step 1, pay attention. This is where a lot of people already fail, so follow along. Milk, then cereal, and voila, we're done. It's that simple. I know, it's crazy that many people have been doing it wrong up until now. Honorable mention, to be fair, there is one other method on how to make cereal that at least makes some sense. Milk, cereal, then bowl. These are the only two methods on how to make cereal. If you're doing it any other way, I don't know how else to tell you this, but you're doing it wrong. Best tutorial ever. You're f***ing welcome.